Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the services discussed. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Northwest Fiber, accessible at northwestfiber.com. Their website serves as a comprehensive resource for anyone interested in learning more about their fiber optic internet services. Northwest Fiber appears committed to delivering high-speed internet connectivity to homes and businesses, emphasizing the advantages of fiber optics over traditional internet options. They highlight faster speeds, improved reliability, and lower latency, which are crucial for activities like streaming, gaming, and video conferencing. The website likely features information on their various service plans, pricing details, and coverage areas, allowing potential customers to explore the options available in their specific location. You'll probably find resources detailing the benefits of fiber internet, including its symmetrical upload and download speeds, which are a significant advantage for tasks like uploading large files or working remotely. Northwest Fiber likely showcases its commitment to customer satisfaction and provides contact information for inquiries and support. They may also offer online tools for checking service availability and managing accounts, streamlining the customer experience. The site's design probably aims for clarity and user-friendliness, making it easy for visitors to navigate and find the information they need. Northwest Fiber likely emphasizes its role in bridging the digital divide and bringing advanced internet capabilities to underserved communities. It's also possible they highlight the economic benefits of high-speed internet access for businesses and local economies. Further investigation of their website will likely reveal details about their network infrastructure, commitment to network security, and any ongoing promotions or special offers for new customers. Finally, the website might also include customer testimonials or case studies showcasing the positive impact of their fiber internet service. They could potentially offer a blog or news section with updates on company news, industry trends, and technological advancements related to fiber optics.